millions of Americans are facing a tipping point. With the government shutdown underway, the risk of discontinuation of SNAP, the Federal Food Assistance Program, is growing. Even after a federal judge ordered the Trump administration to resort to emergency resources, the White House claims it does not have legal authorization to release that money now, leaving about 42 million beneficiaries in limbo. Former President Donald Trump said he has instructed the government's legal team to seek a legal way to restore payments, but acknowledged that delays are still likely to occur. In Congress, the Democratic leader in the House, Hakeem Jeffries, criticized the government's stance. According to him, there are contingency funds that could be used in a situation like the current one. While the impasse continues, Democrats are pushing for an expansion of Obamacare tax credits to prevent a rise in health plan costs for approximately 20 million people. Open enrollment for plans begins this weekend, and many are already reporting significant price increases. In Virginia, for example, consumer Beth Dreyer says her monthly plan premium jumped from $80 to $425, making insurance virtually unaffordable for the next year. In essential services, the situation is also critical. Thousands of air traffic controllers have been working without pay for weeks. In New York, nearly 80% report stress and fatigue, and staff shortages have caused delays at airports across the country. In response, 4 major airlines have asked Congress to reopen the government as soon as possible, citing direct impacts on passengers and the economy. The disparity is also the target of criticism. While more than 1 million federal employees, such as air traffic controllers, remain unpaid, lawmakers continue to receive their salaries. On Capitol Hill, negotiations are stalled. On one side, Republicans are reluctant to negotiate under a shutdown. On the other, Democrats say they are maintaining a firm position on health demands. For now, there is no clear sign of an agreement, and millions of families are trying to understand what lies ahead. In summary, the budget freeze threatens food benefits, puts pressure on healthcare costs, and compromises essential services such as aviation. Next steps depend on an understanding in Congress regarding temporary or full government funding, a legal definition of the use of emergency funds for SNAP, and measures to mitigate delays and disruptions in critical sectors while the impasse persists.